So LFC has helped me learn the new programs that they have here. It has improved my customer service, and it has also given me more of a view on the different types of people that come in and interacting with them, and not to add on to customer service. And it has also helped me work with elderly people. We have a lot of elderly people come in here to LFC. Technology has helped me. Well, I've learned a lot here actually. I've learned a lot of new things about computers, the inside of computers, different cables that you need for computers, different types of computers, like RAM, gigabytes. I did not know anything about that before I started here at LFC. So I'm still learning day by day, but I have gained a lot of knowledge here. I knew the basics. The team here is very great. They're very helpful. They're very patient because, like I said, I did not have a lot of knowledge in computers, but they have been very patient with me in teaching me a lot of new things about computers and technology and websites. And also a lot of people, majority of the people that come in here and purchase a computer or get any type of service here, they are very grateful for it. There's a lot of low income people that need help, and this company does help them a lot, whether it would be for a computer for school or a computer for a senior trying to learn new things. And they well, speaking for the digital literacy program, a lot of people, a lot of seniors that come in, once they leave, they're very happy with the service, and they're very happy about learning new things. And then also Hartnell students are very grateful, because we do work with Hartnell and they do purchase laptops for them. They're very grateful for that because they do need it for school.